Welcome to the frontier of innovation and technology at the School of Mechatronic Systems Engineering at Simon Fraser University. Merging the precision of mechanical engineering, the power of electronics, and the intelligence of computer science, Mechatronics drives the innovations at the heart of today's smart technologies. Imagine transforming your passion for technology into a reality. At the School of Mechatronic Systems Engineering, your hands-on learning journey begins from day one, turning dreams into projects and projects into future careers. Collaborate on groundbreaking projects with peers who share your drive and curiosity. Dive deep into research with advanced tools that push the boundaries of engineering. Create, test, and refine the technologies that will define tomorrow. Join a vibrant community where diversity fuels creativity and learning. Gain real-world experience through our strong industry connections and state-of-the-art lab facilities. Feel the pride of being part of a program that prepares you to be an engineer, an innovator, and a leader. Step confidently into your future, equipped with the skills to excel in the tech-driven world. With opportunities like co-ops at Tesla, Intel, Boeing, and other leading tech companies, your education in mechatronics opens doors worldwide. Your journey in mechatronic systems engineering starts at SFU.